Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to get back on Instagram? If you have temporarily deactivated your account, here's how to reactivate it in seconds. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone or go to instagram.com on your browser. Enter your username and password, then tap login. If your account was only deactivated, it will reactivate immediately. Forgot your password? Tap Forgot Password and follow the steps to reset it via email or phone number. If you deleted your account permanently, reactivation isn't possible. You will need to create a new account. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now reactivated. And you are back in action. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.